Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about the great classroom lie. Flexible seating means flexible brains. Nope. Sometimes it just means flexible chaos. You know what actually reduces chaos? Assigned seats. For about 90% of class time. I know, I know. It sounds like a step back from the cozy cafe vibes we all dreamed of, but hear me out. When everyone knows where to go, you gain back those 5 minutes of where do I sit panic every single day. That's 25 minutes a week. Basically, one entire CI activity worth of calm. Here's how it works in real life. Set your seating chart, make it clear, and tell your students that for most of the class, especially input heavy activities, they sit in their assigned seats. Then, for the last 10% of class, when it's time for group work or movement, that's when they get their freedom fix. My students know if they transition smoothly, we get free choice seating Fridays. Suddenly, they guard their assigned seats like thrones during story time. I have even have a student who proudly calls the seat La Silla de Sabiduría. It's become a classroom identity, predictable, peaceful, productive. And the beauty of the system, you can start tomorrow. Just assign seats and tell your students, we're going pro. 90% assigned, 10% chaos. That's it. You'll instantly see calmer transitions, stronger focus, and fewer, oops, I'm sitting with my best friend, so now I forgot how to human moments. And if you want even more easy wins for managing your CI classroom without losing your mind, check out the CI Survival Kit. Now with Ask a Story slides for levels 1 through 3 in French, German, and Spanish. Check it out at mm.us/kit. It's the next best thing to having an assistant named Order and Control. Happy comprehensible input.